Everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to fix the mobile data not working on your Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. So actually this issue is quite easy to fix. At first, unlock your phone and scroll down to the quick panel here. Prolong this quick panel and here you should be able to see the mobile data switch. If you have it blue, turn it off and turn it back on by tapping. If you have it gray, tap it so that it can be colored. If you don't see it here, swipe to the next page, tap this plus and search for the data in this section over here. You should find it directly in the available buttons list. Tap done and here we have the data again. Disable and enable them. This is the first thing. This should refresh all your modules in your this should refresh your data module and your issue should be fixed. But if it isn't, we have to now go to settings. Here we have to go to connections, mobile networks, and here access point names, which is the APN. Here, as you can see, we have Play because this is the Polish company carrier. We have to select something which is with the name Internet. Now your issue should be fixed, but if it isn't, we have to go to the next step. Find yourself a SIM card tray opener. This is the one from Samsung phone. It looks exactly like this. I have tested the Apple's one on this phone, and the Apple's one doesn't work, unfortunately. And here, take now of your case. Here, as you can see, we do have the SIM card tray. Place your SIM card tray opener in this hole here and push it into the phone. Now, as you can see, it's here. We have to just remove it very softly. It's easy. So from time to time it's easy, sometimes it's not. And now, if you have this removed, here we should see our SIM card. As you can see, it's over here. Let's just remove it from this place right here, place it over here, take that, and take this microfiber cloth over here. Now take this with yourself, the SIM card, and delicately wipe softly this SIM card. Then place it on, for example, the other one, which is the SIM2. Place it on this port here, and when you have it, as I can see, this is the micro SD. So this is micro SD, so it doesn't have the SIM2. Place it like here, like it was earlier. As you can see, it's on the same level as here, and place it back into the phone very carefully. When your SIM is wiped, cleaned, it should work perfectly fine and shouldn't have the connection issues. As you can see, mine does. We can take this from here, and now your issue should be fixed again. But if it is not fixed, we have to go to the next step. Scroll down to the control panel back again, prolong it, and enable the airplane mode. The airplane mode should be enabled for 10 seconds at least, and after these 10 seconds you can disable the airplane mode. The airplane mode, disabling and toggle it on or off, should restart all the connectional modules like Wi-Fi, like Bluetooth, auto rotate, trade data transfer, etc. The airplane mode should do it. But if it still doesn't work, you will have to hold the volume down button and power button at the same time in your phone, tap restart again. Now your phone should be restarted. And when you restart your phone, the issue should be fixed. Let's wait until our phone will be turned on. As you can see now, our phone is turned on, and let's check if it works. You should see here these 3 lines, or here these top lines. I mean 5, but it depends on your coverage what will be white lines and how much will be them. This should fix the issue, but if it didn't fix the issue, let's move to the next step. The next step is to enter the settings, scrolling down to general management and tapping reset over here. Here tap reset network settings and then reset back again. Then reset, and what will be resetted? Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile network settings. So your issue should be fixed. Of course, every single Bluetooth device and every single Wi-Fi network should be added back again. And if the issue isn't fixed again, you should contact your carrier to verify the data plan, because it may be the carrier issue. Apart from that, you can try to replace the SIM cards with your, for example, friend or family to see if other SIM card works. If other SIM card work, you should something is wrong with your data plan in your carrier. But if no SIM card work, the issue is your hardware, and you should give your phone to the verified, authorized service, Samsung service. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and have a nice day. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments below. Goodbye!